Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you what you can do if your Huawei Nova 11 Pro doesn't charge. So you plug in the cable but your phone doesn't charge. First thing you can do is to check the cable and try it with another device. If the other device is charging with the same cable, then there's something wrong with this phone. But if it still doesn't charge, then your cable might be broken. You can try it with another device again, and if it still doesn't work, then you should think about getting a new cable. Next thing you can do is you can try to restart your phone, and for that you need to press the power on and off button, and then this menu pops up and you can say to restart it. We'll do that, touch to restart. Alright, now it's restarting. You don't have to worry about losing any of your data. And now we need to unlock our SIM card and unlock our phone, and then we're back. If that still doesn't work, you can look for a software update. You need to go to your settings and scroll down to System and Updates, Software Update. And now it's checking for updates. It says loading, please wait, and we have a new update available. This update improves system security with security patches. We're just gonna go ahead, download and install it. Shouldn't take too long. So now we're back and hopefully your phone charges now. If that still doesn't work, so we need to press the power on and off and the volume down button over the point that I made a screenshot. So keep pressing to force a restart, and now it's restarting. So your phone should charge by now, and if it still doesn't charge, then you might have a hardware problem and you should go get that fixed. Otherwise, well, you will run out of battery and then well, you can't use your phone anymore. So you want to get that fixed, but hopefully your phone charges again after these 4 tips. Hope you liked it. I hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.